a small demonstration of a little utility I'm working on to repair media files. Currently only supported are MP3s and WAV, WAV files, I guess. So these are files affected by a variant of the stop DJVU ransomware. Renaming them will not solve the issue. The file is not playable. Might be file type is unsupported, the extension is incorrect, or the file is corrupt. It's the latter. Okay, I undo it. We run the tool, we select the file type we want to repair. Select the corrupt files. Click start. Okay. So for WAV files it requires a reference file. So this is a file created by the same device or same software you used to create the corrupt files. A reference file is nothing else than an intact WAV file. Yeah, and the tool expects the file to be named sample. Which it explains here. And we can now, once we've done that, click OK. It will create a folder called fixed. And then we can try playing the files. The is caused by the fact that the portion of the file is encrypted, and I overrode it with some zeros. So I guess you can use an editor to get rid of it. So that's it basically. That's all. There's not much to it. Thanks for watching.